Page 5, Jolly Old Saint Nicholas. 4/4 time. Let's take this one hand at a time. I'm going to start with the right hand. You have the third finger on E here. Put your hand in this position. We have quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note gets 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Then that whole note, the last measure of the first line, that gets 4 counts. Gotta hold it out for 4 counts. Oh boy. That's the second line. Hopefully you'll be okay. Third line's similar or the same as the first line actually. And then the last line is the same as, almost the same as the second line. Not quite. Close, but not quite. But your hand is in this position, you're fine. Left hand, you're down here. You have the C chord, a C, an E, and a G. With the 5, 3, 1 fingers, you're in this position. Try and get the notes all down at the same time. Just put your hand in that position and you lower the hand. And then the F, and all these are whole notes. You're just going to hold each one down for 4 counts. Now in the second line, you got to move up the hand up one key here, so you're here. So when you finish the first line here, just lift up and move, like so. And then second line, third measure, that is an F sharp, and they're saying second finger, so use second finger again. This moves your hand back down. When you do this, you move the hand back down here. And then second finger again with the thumb for the F, G. Second finger is busy. It's got this note and this note and this note. There's other fingerings we can use. I'm just going to stick with this one. That's fine. And that's pretty much it for the left hand. The rest of the stuff is very similar to that. So once you've got the hands figured out separately, try putting them together. Here at the beginning, your C position, you're here. Try and connect this as best you can. At the end of the line, you can lift up. There's a little bit of, it's the end of a phrase, so just lift up. It's just a slight lift up. Well, you got to lift up anyway because the left hand has to move when you're doing that. See, the right hand didn't move. That second measure, second line. Like there, and then you have a rest at the end of the second line. 1 beat rest. Quiet for 1 beat. And then the third line's the same as the first. And the last line is similar to the second. There's no F sharp. That's about all I have to say. It's a kind of not fast or slow. It's in the middle. Something like that. I'd like to play it with you slowly to double check that you have all the right notes and rhythms. And we'll do that, and then you can speed it up on your own and take it. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. And go ahead and put your hands in C position here. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go.